In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project using NoodleTools. So once you log in by navigating to the library website and selecting NoodleTools login and using your school Gmail account, you should be taken to a screen that looks pretty similar to this. If you've had projects in the past, they're going to be here. If you've never created a project, this is going to be blank, and that's okay. Because in this video, as I said, we're going to learn how to make a new project. So you're going to start by clicking the green New Project icon, which is located in the upper right corner. And when I click that, I'm going to have the option to give my project a title. This should probably be something specific to the actual project you're working on so that you remember if you have to come back to this in the future. This should not be your name. So for instance, if I'm doing a research project on Egypt, I might type Egypt or Egyptian mummies or something in there that's going to make me aware of what is inside this project. Citation style, we're going to go ahead and keep this MLA. There are lots of different citation styles, but for the most part in middle school, you're just going to be using MLA. And the last option you have here is your citation level. We have starter, junior, or advanced. We're going to go ahead and use starter. This just gives you 6 basic forms of citation. You can always go back and change this in the future if you decide that you would like to have a different citation level. And once you've selected those options, you're going to hit submit, and voila, you have created a project. From that point, you are going to click on the name of that project to get into it to add sources, which will be a separate tutorial video. Thanks for watching.